Good morning, children. We are learning my body in AVS. Okay, so let us revise what we have already studied. We have divided our body into 4 parts. Which are they? Face, that is head, then torso, that is middle body, trunk, that is called torso, and limbs. What are limbs? Your hands and your legs. We have learned different parts of face, right? And torso also we have done. Now today we are going to understand different parts of our hand that comes under limbs. Okay, so let us see what we have already studied. Parts of middle body, that is trunk and torso, right? What comes under this portion? Shoulder, chest, stomach, waist, back and hip. I hope you have written this in your notebook also, and you understand which part is called shoulder, chest, stomach, waist, back and hip. Okay, and facial also we have revised 2 times. What are the body parts comes under head. Okay, now let us move forward. We are going to learn about the different parts coming under under the area from shoulder to the tip of your finger. Okay, so that usually we say as our hand, लेकिन ये पूरा हाथ नहीं है, हम इसको हाथ बोलते हैं. Whatever you are able to see on the screen, right? पर ये पूरा हाथ नहीं है. तो क्या है? Let us see. Hand is called only this much area divided from the wrist of your hand. Okay, lower part from the wrist. Now what is this much portion called? This is called forearm, and the area starting from shoulder to elbow is your upper arm. Okay, so this whole is not hand, but this includes upper arm, forearm and hand. I hope you have understood. Okay, let us see which other body parts comes under this. You can clearly see that how the hand is divided into upper arm, forearm and your hand. See children, this is upper arm dividing from the elbow. This is your elbow. Okay, this is your upper arm starting from the shoulder. Then comes your forearm. This is your wrist. Then this is your fingernail. This is called fingernail, and these are your fingers, and this is your thumb. Okay, many more parts are there like palm, and let us see what each and every finger has its name. What are they called? See, this is hand. Only from starting from the wrist to tip of your finger. Now see what are the names of the fingers. This is your palm. This is your palm. Then this is your thumb. Then first finger is called index finger. This is an index finger. Second one is called middle finger. The third is ring finger, and the fourth is little finger. Let us see. This is your fingernail, showing your fingernail, and the first finger is index finger. This is your middle finger. Then third is your ring finger, and fourth is little finger because it is little, na? Okay. Then this bumps like structure you can see here. They are your knuckles, and this is your wrist, and this mukka is your fist. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood what is the difference between hand and the whole part starting from the shoulder to your tip, right? So this is all about the topic. I will send one page to be written in the notebook related to the content, related to the parts coming under your limbs, that is your hands. Legs we will study later on. Thank you all. Bye.